Hey, Algebra 2, starting 2.2 today, standard form on Savas. It might not call it standard form, but that's what we are. We have y equals a times x squared plus b times x plus c. Notice the x's are kind of in pink, y's in black, a, b, and c are all different colors. The nice thing about standard form is that we can find the y-intercept really easy. It's just going to be parentheses 0 comma and then this c out here, this number. So if it's -3, it's 0 comma -3. If it's +4, it's 0 comma 4. Sometimes on Savas they won't want the point, they just want to know what c is, so make sure you read the fine print. And then we can find the vertex not as easily as the vertex form, but we can still find the vertex. First, we can find the x value of the vertex. And that is the opposite of b. So if this is +3 or +3, we'd have -3 right here, all over 2 times a, and a is that number out in front. Remember, if there's no number in front of an x, it's just 1. And then to find the y value of that vertex, we plug in this x, we solve for this and plug it in back here to these x's. So the only letter we would have in this equation, the only variable left would be y, and we just solve for that y. If a is positive right here, so if this number is positive, the graph opens up. If it's negative, it opens down. Got one example here. So y equals x squared minus 6x plus 14. You typically wouldn't see this one right here, but I just wrote it in for you. Let's find the y-intercept really easily. It's just c right here. So it's either 14 or the point 014, whatever they ask for. The vertex, we can find the x value of the vertex. Opposite of b, b is in the green. Opposite of -6 is +6 over 2a. 2 times a is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's the x value. How do we find the y value of the vertex? We plug in this x back into the x's up here. So 3 squared minus 6 times 3 equals, or plus 14. 3 times 3, 9, minus 18 plus 14 equals 5. So our vertex is 3, 5. And since this is positive, the graph is going to open up. I'll have another video on graphing posted on our PowerSchool page. And then just a helpful hint for number 7 on our homework, that's 2.2.22 up on the left. The height that they're asking for is the vertex, or the maximum or the minimum. That's just the vertex.